cutie pies. Welcome to Kids O'Clock with Saumya. And in today's craft story, we will read aloud the story of Sheldon the shark and learn to make shark. I know how much you guys like Baby Shark, but this story is different. It's about Sheldon the shark. Let's see what he has got for us. Sheldon the shark. Sheldon was a lonely shark. He tried so hard to be friends with other sea animals and fishes, but they were all afraid of Sheldon. And why wouldn't they be? After all, he was a shark, one of the most ferocious aquatic creatures. Sheldon. Hey, hi! Don't run away! Actually, the entire ocean was afraid of the wrath of Sheldon's dad. And that also was the reason why everyone feared Sheldon and his family. Almost all sea creatures saw Sheldon, his mom, and dad as threats to their very existence. Forget about being friends. Sheldon tried his best to make new friends, but all his efforts were in vain. No sea creature even talked to him. Sheldon loved to dance and party, but because of having no other friends, he could only party with his mom and dad. One day, while swimming, Sheldon came across a school of beautiful fishes. Sheldon. Hi fishes, I'm Sheldon. Would you be my friends? Fishes. No! And the fishes swam away. Fishes got so scared of Sheldon that they swam away straight to the seashore. A fisherman saw the fishes swimming towards the shore.
Wow!
I'm going to catch these fishes and take them home. Ha 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 ha. But Sheldon, his mom, and his dad saw the fisherman and gauged his bad intentions and quickly swam towards the shore to save the fishes. When the fisherman saw the three approaching sharks, he got very scared and ran away. Sheldon's good intentions won him friends in those fishes, and then they all danced and partied together, happily ever after. And did you see how Sheldon became friends with those fishes and they all partied together in the end? When we have good intentions, good things happen. Now it's time for our DIY. Let's make Sheldon the shark today. So let's get started with the DIY. I've taken a blue construction paper, and like I always say, if you don't have this color paper, then you can take any other colored paper. You can even take a chart paper, glaze paper, or whatever papers you have. Now I am cutting the shape of the shark which I just made with my scissors. Please take help of your parents while using scissors. After cutting out the shape of my shark, I'm just marking it with my Sharpie or a sketch pen, and I'm just marking the outlines. Now I'm applying glue with my spatula. I ran out of my glue sticks, that's why I'm using tacky glue and applying it with my spatula. If you have glue sticks, then those are the easiest to use. As you can see here, I'm cutting a white paper in the shape of zigzag triangles. I want them to be the teeth of my shark. Now I am just pasting an eye, which I told you last time that I got it from Dollar Tree. So if you don't have an eye like this, then you can simply make it with paper. I've just glued the eye on my shark, and now I'm cutting the shark in the shape. I'm just cutting the cardboard following the shape of the shark. I have cut the shark in two pieces now because I want to attach teeth. You'll get to know why I cut it in halves in the later part of the video. Okay, so those teeth were a little bit too big for my liking, so I took another paper and I'm making smaller teeth now. Just marking the fish with white pen. You can skip this step if you don't have a white pen. That's all right. Now I'm pasting the sharp teeth that I just made with my paper on the two pieces of the shark. After that, I'm applying double tape on both the pieces. Now I'm sticking my shark on a purple construction paper. I've used double tape because it's very easy to stick anything using double tape. But if you want to just apply your glue on the fish and then paste it on the paper, then you're welcome to do that. You don't have to use double tape. Now I'm just making sure that my fish is properly stuck on my purple paper. Now I'm making small fishies. You know those fishes our Sheldon wanted to be friends with? I'm just making them on paper and cutting them out. So I'm just cutting the fishes out with my scissors. Like I always say, please take help of your parents while using scissors. Always do it in their guidance. I don't want you to get hurt. Now I've cut the fishes and I'm just outlining them with my white pen. You can use a black pen for this or any other color pen. Just applying glue and pasting the fishes on my purple paper. And again, you can use your glue stick to paste the fishes. So now I'm making a fish pattern on my shark just to make it prettier. So you can use any colored pen for that purpose. Just designing my fishes a little bit more. You can always do that. Now I've cut blue paper in the shape of waves. So you see waves are not straight lines, they are curved, they are wavy, and that's why I've cut them in such a shape. Now I've pasted all the waves and I'm all done with my shark project. Now go ahead, take your craft kit and start crafting. And watch this video till the end for a fun fact about sharks. A fun fact about sharks. Did you all know that sharks have no bones? Yeah, that's true. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel and I'll be back with more fun craft stories for you. It's time to say bye-bye, but we'll meet real soon again.